Your traditional resume died years ago. You just didn't realize it yet. Seriously, by the end of 2026, just knowing how to use the internet won't even get you an interview in the remote world. If you're not learning how to use tools that does the work for you, you are basically invisible to the people that want to hire you. So why listen to me? Well, my name is Ruan, and for 2 years now, I am the owner of Ruan Road to Riches, learning the skills to make money online and helping others do the same. But before that, for 17 years of my adult life, I had to sacrifice my life for a job that paid a salary that barely lasted a week. I had to get to work and back on my own cost. And if I wasn't at work, I wasn't getting paid. So when COVID came and took my job, I knew I had to find a way to make money online and earn online income. So my friend, I know how it feels. I can remember it being exactly where you are right now. I wanted freedom. I wanted to stop trading every single second of my life for a paycheck that barely lasted a week. I honestly thought that if I just worked harder or sent out more applications, things would change. But the truth is, the world moved on, and I was still using that same old map. So here's the problem. Most people think that digital literacy means that you just have to send out an email or post to social media. That's like saying you're a chef because you know how to turn on a microwave. In the 2026 remote world, every single job is going to be filtered through an algorithm. If you look like everyone else, you get deleted. Traditional resumes fail because they are static. They are just words on a page. The people winning right now aren't sending resumes. They are building moats. Think of a moat around a castle. It protects the castle. Your digital moat is your ability to make tools talk to each other and finish tasks while you sleep. It's moving from just using the internet to owning the systems on it. The best part for me is that you don't even need any fancy degrees for this. You don't even need to be a tech genius. You just need to bridge the gap between being a basic internet user and being someone who understands automation. When you show ordinary people that you could save them 20 hours a day just by setting up simple systems, you, my friend, don't need a resume. Those people won't care where you went to school or what type of degrees you have or don't have. They will only care that you have the skill that they need to keep surviving. And then not just surviving, but also thriving. This is why I talk about the 2026 economy so much. The gap is widening, people. On the one side, you still have people struggling to find work because they are still applying for jobs like it's 2010. And on the other side, you have people that have mastered high income skills that makes them irreplaceable. They have leverage. They have the power to say no to jobs they don't want because they have a digital portfolio of real projects that proves they know their stuff. I don't want you to be left behind when the world shifts. I want you to have that freedom that I was looking for back then. That's why I put everything I know into a document called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact path that I used to stop being invisible and start building something real. And you can get it for absolutely free right now. I'm not here to be a guru or to sell you a dream. I'm just a friend that found a secret of something that actually works, and I want to share that map with you. It's 100% free. I send it out in the very first email that I sent out when you join my list. If you're tired of the old way and you're ready to build your own moat, I want to help you get started. Stop polishing that old resume and start building your own future. If you want the blueprint sent to you right now, just drop a comment below. Use the word ready and I'll make sure you get it right away. Let's get to work, my friend. Make sure you hit subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video.